Hello, dear viewers. I'm greeting you again from Merdekan. Today I'm here to present a modern house built on 7 acres. There's a new Goshagalar restaurant in Merdekan nearby. For those unfamiliar, it's on the Wave Arena Road when coming from the police academy. You can also reach it from Budolna or through Merdekan. The area you saw earlier is where you can park. You can see the beautiful greenery. Let's start from here. As soon as you enter, there's a mirror. You see the bathroom in the yard. We've changed the scene. There's a 30 square meter living area with heated flooring, comfortable year round. The boiler here is separate from the bathroom. Let's move on. The pool is 8 meters long, 4.5 meters wide, with an overflow design and a beautiful waterfall. You can see the cameras here, 8 on each side. There's a seating area where you can relax comfortably. Here's the pool filtration system. There's also a 10-ton water tank. I might be starting due to the water noise. Let's walk around the house. All utilities are installed and ready. Gas, water, electricity, and sewage. Those buying or interested in homes in Merdekan know that almost everywhere here has septic tanks. You can see the underfloor heating collector. There are 4 or 5 of these, including inside. Currently, there are 2 here, 1 more there. They've added some greenery in the back to fill empty space. Water's connected like this, and here's the house's combi boiler system. Let's move to the side. There's plenty of space to walk comfortably. Now we're back to the front of the house. It's truly worth buying. I really like it. If you like it too, please hit the like button. We're looking forward to your likes and heartfelt comments. Sometimes right. They write, Mr. Rufat, it doesn't look good to you. Well, everyone has their own taste. If it doesn't work, what can I say? It's your taste. As you can see, we entered the house. It has a spacious hall with a 3.80 m high ceiling. The first bedroom is on the right as you enter with its own bathroom. I think the color tones are beautiful. By the way, wallpaper wasn't used here, only paint on these sides. It's painted, even this is painted. No, now it's wallpaper. Come, let's see each bedroom, living room, and kitchen. Each has its own air conditioner installed and ready. Our shot changes again. We're coming to the house's main bathroom. Interesting color tones, high quality accessories used. There's a 20 square meter bedroom, another bedroom here. It's the house's 3rd bedroom, and the last bedroom, the 4th, is 28 square meters, with its own wardrobe and bathroom. We enter the bathroom from the wardrobe. There's a mirror as you enter. Our camera is shy of mirrors. Come on, yes. It's not tiled. I'd say it's fully painted at home with wallpaper used in 1 or 2 bedrooms. Of course, tastes vary. You can change to any color you like or use wallpaper. Here's the kitchen. From the kitchen, there's access to the terrace I showed you outside. Camera, please come. Look, there's an exit from the kitchen. There's also a door here with a view of the yard and pool. Let's go to the living room, which is 45 square meters. Again, I'll mention the ceiling height is 380 centimeters. As you can see, there's air conditioning installed. Thanks to the owner for turning it on so it's not hot. I want to show you this exit too. Look at the view. We've come to the end of another video. Dear viewers, lovely customers, please subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you in new videos. Bye for now.